Hello and welcome back to SAP S/4HANA Asset Management Training. We are still exploring the Fiori Launchpad, looking at the apps under the order group. And this time I'm going to go back to find Maintenance Order app, and we are going to look at additional features. Just like we saw before, we need to add Planner Group as a filter. So we do this by going to Adapt Filters, then typing in Planner Group in the search field. And then selecting that and having it added to the Maintenance Order Standard screen. So as you can see, we have the Planner Group as one of the filters. So the next thing is to type in our Planner Group and then execute. So from here you see we have two work orders. The first one is pump is leaking badly. The other one is unusual noise. And as you can see, we have a lot of information that is needed by a technician to execute that job. Things like the final due date, the technical object, and so on. So I'm going to select the work order, and as you can see, there are some tabs that we can click on at the top. To the far right, we have tabs for exporting work order data, change status, change responsibility, and then here we have the standard screen. So if I click on the work order, you see there are some associated apps, and we are going to click on one of those apps. So we're going to go to change maintenance order, and this is a screen that we have seen before. This is all information that we need for or describes that work order, such as location, organizational unit, operation, and so on. This time we are going to look at costs. Earlier on we looked at the operation data. And as you can see here, some of the costs that are associated with the work order include the internal labor, external services, internal materials and spares, external material and spares. And right in the middle you see at the very top here you have the estimated cost for this job. So that's some of the data that need to be populated. And then at the bottom we have the settlement rules, which we are going to look at later on. One thing I want to highlight here, we have the estimated cost, planned cost, and actual cost. So this is how we work with change maintenance order and the costs functionality. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.